Hey guys, Jordan El-Hag here, and today we are talking about the 4 time periods where things can go wrong at work. So today I'm going to give you a framework that if you understand it, you're going to be able to anticipate any legal problems that might arise in your career. So there are 4 distinct areas where employment law issues come up. The first is when you're looking for work, and the primary issue that comes up is discrimination. For example, if you're not getting a job because you have a criminal conviction or you're pregnant. Now, if you were denied a job, you have to pay attention or think back to the questions that the interviewer was asking. Try to find out why you weren't hired and who they hired instead of you, because you might be a victim of discrimination. The second period is while you're working. There are 5 issues that can come up while you're at work: proper pay, poor working conditions, getting proper pension and medical benefits, discrimination, and individual contract law. Each area has a specific set of laws that govern it. The third period is while you're working, but things are starting to go bad. The main issue that comes up is discrimination and retaliation and breach of contract. If you suspect things are starting to go bad at work, that's when you need to call a lawyer before you lose your job, so you can come up with a plan on how you could win the lawsuit before you're out the door. And the last period is after you leave the job. There are things you can actually do that can get you sued by your former employer. Before you take some action that might impact your former employer, you need to talk to a lawyer. For example, I've seen people posting negative things online, calling customers, and bad-mouthing the company, or they steal customers for another business. So you need to be careful even after you leave. To use a framework, all you have to do is look out for different things depending on the period you're in. You need to be smart. So for example, if you're thinking about leaving the company to start a competing business, set yourself up right and call a lawyer. If you're currently working, make sure to check that your wages and benefits are being properly computed. If you're a pregnant woman looking for a job, be smart and keep a record of the jobs that you were denied and find out why you weren't hired. If you know this framework, you can be proactive and be better prepared to enforce your rights. So that's it for today. I hope you found it informative, and we will see you on the next video.